Ever wondered why protecting our forests is so crucial for future generations? It's more than just saving pretty trees. Forests are the lifeline of our planet, and their fate is directly tied to our own. Think of them as living time capsules, holding the key to a healthy future for future generations on this planet. They provide the clean air we breathe, the pure water we drink, and are home to countless species that maintain the delicate balance of our ecosystems. When we protect a forest, we're not just preserving a piece of nature, but also investing in the long-term well-being of humanity. We're ensuring that future generations can experience the same natural wonders we do and inherit a planet that is thriving, not just surviving. Now, let's talk about climate. Forests are our greatest allies in the fight against climate change, acting as the true guardians of the green. How do they do it? Through a natural process called photosynthesis. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, one of the main greenhouse gases warming our planet. They store it in their trunks, branches, and soil. They are massive carbon sinks, literally pulling climate-changing pollution out of the atmosphere. When forests are destroyed, all that stored carbon is released, accelerating global warming. So, by protecting and expanding our forests, we're actively working to stabilize our climate. It's one of the most effective and natural solutions we have. It's not just about planting trees, but also safeguarding these powerful green engines that keep our planet cool and habitable. So what's the path forward? It's about more than just conservation. It's about restoration. Rewilding our forests is a powerful concept that can bring our ecosystems back to life. This means allowing natural processes to take over, reintroducing native species, and restoring the complex web of life that makes a forest healthy. When we rewild, we see an incredible resurgence in biodiversity. Birds, insects, mammals, and plants all return, creating a resilient and vibrant ecosystem. This isn't just a win for nature, it's a win for us. A biodiverse forest is stronger, better equipped to handle climate change, and provides the essential resources we all depend on. It's a hopeful vision for the future. A world where we work with nature to heal our planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and be well.